Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share some real customer reviews about the Uninell UR3 robot vacuum and mop combo, and I'll also give you my honest thoughts on whether those reviews are right, fair, or maybe missing something. By the end, you'll know if this robot vacuum is worth your money. This customer said setup was super easy. The Lidar navigation works great and it doesn't get stuck. They love the self-emptying feature, strong suction, decent mop for light cleaning, and long battery life that handled their 3-bedroom house. No-go zones and app control were also a big plus. And I agree with most of that. The navigation is really smooth, the self-emptying is a huge time saver, and while the mop isn't for deep scrubbing, it's perfect for daily upkeep. The battery lasting through a whole house? That's impressive. Another customer mentioned that while they hadn't tried the mop yet, the vacuum itself was excellent. They switched from a Shark and were much happier with this one. It never got stuck, avoided cords and socks, and made a noticeable difference with pet hair. They also liked the strong suction on both bare floors and carpet, and they said it's absolutely worth it. And I think that's a really good point. A vacuum that doesn't get tangled up in cords or stop on socks makes a huge difference in daily use. And if it can handle pet hair without issues, that's a big win for anyone with dogs or cats. A customer shared that after a month, this robot vacuum has kept their bigger home spotless with just a click. They love the self-emptying and scheduling features, how it glides smoothly across floors, gets under furniture, and even keeps pet hair under control. I think this review shows how practical it is for everyday life. The ability to manage a larger home really proves how efficient the mapping system is. The self-emptying and scheduling features are a huge time saver. You can set it and forget it, then come back to a clean house. I also like that it transitions easily between hardwood and carpet without any adjustments, which makes it truly versatile. And for pet owners, having a vacuum that consistently handles hair without extra effort is a big deal. To me, that makes it more than just a gadget. It's like having a reliable cleaning helper. A customer said this vacuum is much quieter than their old one, runs smoothly, has strong suction, and even does well in mopping mode. At first, they worried about it having just one cleaning brush instead of two, but it still picked up dust effectively, so in the end, they were very satisfied. I think this is an important point. Quiet operation really matters, especially if you want to run it while working or relaxing at home. Strong suction plus effective mopping make it feel like a true 2-in-1 device. I also like that, even with one brush, it still performs well. Sometimes extra brushes look impressive, but efficiency is what really counts, and this review shows it's more than capable. For me, that makes it a reliable everyday cleaning option without unnecessary noise or hassle. So after going through all these reviews and sharing my honest take, I think it's clear this robot vacuum is a solid choice if you want something that's powerful, quiet, and truly makes cleaning easier. The self-emptying feature, strong suction, smooth navigation, and even the mopping function really make it stand out. If you're looking for a reliable cleaning partner for your home, this one is definitely worth considering. I'll leave the link down in the description so you can check it out yourself.